It's been a while. I have not uploaded to this channel in almost 2 years. I think the last upload was my son's 2-month update, and he's turning 2 at the end of December. So I wanted to jump in here and remind you who I am and let you know what's to come on this channel in 2019. I am Trina Little. If you don't remember subscribing to this channel, I uploaded videos about mom life, mom routines, updating you about my kids and what they were going through each stage of life. And I started a business, and I started a YouTube channel over on Tips with Trina where I helped business owners use YouTube to grow their business. And that's where I've been spending a lot of my time the past 2 years. And so I've neglected this channel just a tiny bit, but you can start to expect to see new content on this channel at least every Saturday. I'm hoping to change that to twice a week, but for now it's going to be every Saturday. And what I'm going to be focusing on this channel is basically simplifying mom life. Am I right? There are so many things us moms need to do that it just gets stressful and we end up tired. And some days actually hating being a mom. Yes, I'll admit some days I wonder, why did I do this to myself? But then the kids come home, they do something cute, and you know, you're back in love with them. But I'm really working on, in the year coming up, simplifying not only my home, but routines, my house, and also just getting more organized so things can run a lot smoother, so I can avoid stressing out and actually enjoy the time that I have with my kids. In the meantime, I'd love to get to know more about you, so introduce yourself down in the comments. Let me know what kind of content you're looking for from me. If you're coming from my business channel, you're gonna see a little bit more unedited Trina here. You're gonna get to see a little more behind the scenes, more family life, and just kind of me being able to be me. I feel like over on my business channel, I am me, but I'm a little bit more professional. And over here, I get to be mom Trina and just have a little more fun. So you can expect to see some kids in these videos and just more of my passions, more of my hobbies, and behind the scenes of how a mom of 2, a wife, and a business owner do it all, and my journey to simplifying a little bit. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe, because I am having a giveaway. If you subscribe to this channel, in the link below, so there's like a little link, you can sign up for a giveaway. In that giveaway, if you subscribe to my channel, you watch this video, and you also comment on it, you get up to 9 entries to win the grand prize of a Simplified planner by Emily Lay and Powersheets by Cultivate What Matters. This is really what has based my new channel, this channel that I'm starting around goal planning and simplifying. So one grand prize winner is going to get this, along with the, hold on a second, the Cultivate What Matters sticker book, and also the pens. Like I said, this is what I'm going to be using this year. I'm going to be keeping track of my Powersheets progress here. I'm going to be sharing with you how I'm planning in my Simplified planner here, and so I want you to join me. So one person's going to win all of that, and then there'll be 3 other winners who can win a daily Simplified planner I have to give away, and 2 weekly. So there'll be 3 more winners on top of that grand prize winner. I'm really looking forward to sharing this journey with you. I'm really hoping it's holding me accountable and helping you figure out, you know, as moms, have this support team, how we can simplify this crazy ride that is motherhood. Thanks for watching, and remember, there'll be a new video here every Saturday, probably about noon Eastern time. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to watch the next video. Bye.